back to the big box. Now let's open this up and see what we have. Okay, we have a few items here. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's this? Okay, this is my masks. Gotta wear those. Protect yourself from the corona. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Yeah. Okay, which one should I open first? Let's start with the small boxes and work our way up to the big ones. Okay, I bought a new harmonic balancer because I looked at the factory one on there and it looked like it was a little wear for tear, so I bought a new one. Instructions, yada yada yada. So that's that. This also fits any car with a Vulcan. So if you have the Ford Ranger or the Mercury Sable or the Windstar with the Vulcan engine, that harmonic balancer will fit. So that takes care of that. Let's check out what I got in the other boxes. And this is my timing cover. Remember I told you in my previous video that I had a crack in my timing cover? Well, this is the replacement. This is the stock number right there. If you want to get one for yours. It's by Domain. They make really good quality parts. And that's the stock number. So let's open this sucker up. This is the timing cover. Put that to the side. Okay, these are all the gaskets. You gotta have the timing cover gasket, water pump gasket, the seal for the crank, nice quality gaskets right there, and let's look at the timing cover and see what that looks like. And here it is. Crank pulley goes right here. Water pump right here. Now I told you I had a crack in the water pump. In the timing cover. It was right in this area right here. And while it didn't leak when the engine was off, when the engine was on and there was pressure going, it would leak out of the hairline crack right there. So what I did was I pulled the pulley off. The crank, the harmonic balancer off, and I put some JB Weld along that crack, and it fixed it. But I didn't want to take the chance of it cracking more and leaking later, so I decided to nip it in the butt, replace the whole timing cover. It's made out of aluminum. That's the reason why they crack. Eventually, they will crack. So all I'm going to have to do is just basically pull the harmonic balancer off again, pull the water pump off, pull this whole thing off, put the new one on, reassemble with the new gaskets, and put everything back together. But that's it for today. Just a little Christmas unboxing. Probably do it in a few days. I'll put everything on. And then we can start a new year, hopefully better than this one. Like I said, once I get this put together, I found a transmission shop that will do the work for me, the Transmods. So I'm going to do the transmission. Once I get the transmission done, supercharger. But until then, I'll see you next video, and Merry Christmas, everybody.